Then I removed, okay, we through, but I ain't finished it. Then I slide with you, spend the night with you. Just let me write, and it you dripping from my signature. I feel like your body inspired my intentions. We left the squad hanging, it's only time with us. You know I vibe different, cause you know my mind different. Her eyes say in my room, her body saying have a long life.